Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to add an audio player plugin to Squarespace. This is a fantastic way to enhance your website with music, podcasts, or any audio content that can engage your visitors and make your site more interactive. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. First, you'll want to head over to elfsite.com and log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one, but the process is quick and straightforward. Once you're logged in, you'll see your dashboard where all your apps and widgets are managed. Now, look over to the left side of the screen and click on Add New App. This is where you'll find all the different widgets and tools that Elfsite offers to enhance your website. It's essentially your gateway to adding powerful features without needing to know any coding. In the search bar that appears, type Audio Player and click on it when it pops up. This will take you to the Audio Player widget page, where you can start customizing your audio experience for your Squarespace site. Next, you'll see various templates available for the audio player. Browse through them and choose one that matches your website's style and your specific needs. Once you've found the perfect template, click Continue with this template. This will open up the customization interface where the real magic happens. Now you're in the editing interface, and this is where you can truly make the audio player your own. You can add tracks by uploading your audio files, edit existing tracks to change their names or settings, or remove any tracks you don't want. Take your time here to get everything just right. Beyond the tracks themselves, you can also edit the layout, style, and settings of your audio player. This includes things like colors, fonts, player controls, and whether you want features like autoplay or shuffle enabled. These customization options ensure your audio player fits seamlessly with your website's design. Once you're satisfied with all your customizations, click Publish. After that, click the Close button to exit the publishing dialog. Your audio player is now ready to be embedded on your Squarespace site. Now, click the three dots next to your audio player widget and select Embed Code from the menu. Then click Copy to copy the embed code to your clipboard. This code is what will allow your audio player to appear on your Squarespace website. Head over to your Squarespace site and click the Edit button to enter edit mode. Navigate to the page where you want to add the audio player, select a section where you'd like it to appear, and click Add Block from the block options. Click Embed. This is the block type that allows you to add custom code to your Squarespace site. Click the pencil icon on the Embed block to open the editing options. Then click Code Snippet and you'll see a field where you can paste your code. Click Embed Data to prepare the field for your code. Now paste the code you copied from Elfsite into this field. After pasting, click Preview in Safe Mode. This allows you to see how the audio player will look on your site before making it live. Make sure everything appears correctly and functions as expected. If everything looks good, click Save to lock in your changes. Finally, click Exit to leave the editing mode and return to viewing your site as visitors will see it. Your audio player is now live on your Squarespace website, ready to engage your audience with your audio content. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.